Okay, now just like we've done for all the other conic sections, we can move the vertex of a parabola to be at another point. So if we want to change the vertex to 4, 3, we're going to call the 4h and the 3k. And our new formula has become x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k. And that would be for the vertical ones. And for the horizontal, we'd have y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h. Okay, so just kind of as an aside and to remind you, so if you have a vertical one, so that means it's going up or it's going down. It's going up if p is a positive number, and it would be going down if p is negative. And if you've got horizontal, so you're either going opening toward the left or opening toward the right, and this would be if p was negative or p was positive. So you're opening in the positive direction for either x or y if your p is positive, and negative if p is negative. Okay, so this says find the vertex, focus, directrix, and then sketch. Now here, you're going to want to leave the x squareds on one side, or the squared variable, and move the other variable and everything else to the other side. So we're going to leave the x's over here. So x squared plus 2x, and we're going to subtract the 2y and the 7 over to the other side. Now we need to complete the square only for the variable that has a squared term, so only the x's here. So to complete the square with this 2, we'd take 2 divided by 2, which would be 1, and square it, so we're going to add 1 to each side. So this now factors as x plus 1 squared equals negative 2y minus 6. And what we're going to want to do on the right hand side is factor out our largest term. So it'd be a negative 2 here. So x plus 1 squared equals negative 2, and that would be y plus 3. So now, first of all, we see that this one is going to be a vertical one, that our h is negative 1 and our k is negative 3. So that tells us that our vertex is at negative 1, negative 3. Okay, and this number out in front is going to be our 4p. So 4p is equal to negative 2, which means p is equal to negative 2 over 4, or negative 1/2. So if our vertex is at negative 1, negative 3, our p is negative 1/2. So we're going to be facing down. So we're going to go down 1/2 to get our focus. So this is our vertex, this is our focus. So our focus is at negative 1 and negative 3.5. And then our directrix, we'd go up 1/2, and it would be a horizontal line. So our directrix would be at y equals negative 2.5. Okay, and to get the endpoints of our lattice rectum, we're going to take 2 times p. You take the absolute value of that, so that would just be 1 here. So we're going to, from our focus, we're going to go right 1 and left 1, and we can draw our parabola.